maybe like 3 plural, you know, warm, like who knows, right? And so this means that I can go through that process again of creating a table here, where in that table I would again see and look in the database. Oh, what is this taste? What does it mean? Oh, it means ashes. You know, that's what it means. And then the next part is she seems to be saying nevel. So again, I could look with double parentheses, ne, and then it's like, oh, nevel. There, it means maybe they're warm or something. The ashes are warm is the way this was transcribed. And again, to get rid of the stuff underneath the table, it'd be like that. Okay. And I'll just go through that same process again in Audacity. Is this nevel right there? I think this is it.
Is nevel.
Great. So I'm going to go to File, Export, Selected Audio. Okay. And this means this is from Denisontrine, which has the ethnologue code CHP. It's Mary Jane Cazion, and she's saying the ashes are warm. Okay. And I'm going to save that with, it'll keep the same information as before, but now it means something different. It's the ashes are warm. That. And so now I'm going to put in a new recording. The ashes are warm. Okay, so it's created this link, which again, I could, what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to change my shortcut for the triangle so that it fills in the right code. So I can show you how to do that. So I happen to be using Alfred, so I'll use Alfred preferences. And here are my snippets, which are my shortcuts. So I'll just create a new snippet. What I want to do is, actually, I'll just modify the right pointing triangle. So I'm opening the right pointing triangle thing, and it means that whenever I do semicolon followed by this greater than symbol, it puts in a right pointing triangle. But what I wanted to do is not only to type in this, but I wanted to type in like that. And so now that I've saved it this way, it means that when I go back here, okay, as soon as I type semicolon this, it puts in the triangle inside square brackets as well as an open parenthesis. And now all I have to do is close the parenthesis on this side, and it creates my play button. Right? And again, I think I'll put that nice. I kind of like how this looks right before it. So there's 2 examples now. Okay. I have an extra bit here for some reason. So it's because I have one more indentation that's it's filling in. There you go. Okay. And I think this looks nice. And as a group, we'll be able to transcribe lots of these, and eventually our glosses will be more or less correct. And we'll all, of course, look at what other people have said about the glosses in the literature. And little by little, we'll fill out our understanding of this language, and we'll get more used to the sounds, the word orders, the morphology. And each of these things are going to be interesting to different groups in different ways.